Welcome to this 5-minute meditation session dedicated to help lower stress and anxiety. Let's begin. Start with closing your eyes, taking 3 deep breaths. As you settle into natural rhythm of breath, knowing throughout the practice you will hear sounds inside the room, sounds outside. These are not distractions, not disruptions, simply what's around us as we sit and breathe. Begin to notice the mind as it wanders. Jumping from thought to thought, gently guide the intention and focus to the stomach or chest. As you breathe in, feel them rise. Breathing out, feel them fall. Simply continuing this practice, observing sensations of breath. Notice the mind as it wanders. Release that thought, returning attention and focus to the breath. Breathing in, follow the breath in. Breathing out, follow the breath out. The mind wanders. Gently guide attention back to the breath. Letting go of expectations or judgments of your practice, just sitting and breathing. Breathing in, feel the stomach rise. Breathing out, feel the stomach fall. Learning to be comfortable in stillness. knowing what it is like to just sit and breathe. Again, taking 3 deep breaths. You can open your eyes now when you're ready. Meditation helps us deliver a clear awareness of our thoughts and feelings. In the present moment, this awareness will allow us to cultivate a healthier, happier state of mind, greatly improving our reactions to anxiety and stress. See you next time.